Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add noise suppression audio filter to your microphone in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, direct your attention to the audio mixer section, which is typically located at the bottom center of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your audio sources and apply various filters to improve your sound quality. In the audio mixer, look for your microphone input. It's usually labeled as mic/aux, or it might display your specific microphone's name depending on how you've set it up. This is the audio source you'll be working with to add the noise suppression filter. Now, right-click directly on your microphone channel in the audio mixer. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Filters. This opens the Filters window, which is where you can add various audio processing effects to enhance your microphone's output and eliminate unwanted background noise. In the filters window that appears, you'll notice two sections, one for audio/video filters and another for effect filters. Look at the bottom left side of the window and click the plus button. This will display a list of available audio filters you can apply to your microphone. From this list, select noise suppression and then click OK to add it to your filter chain. This filter is specifically designed to reduce background noise and improve the clarity of your voice during streams or recordings. After adding the noise suppression filter, you'll see a drop-down menu within the filter settings. Click on this drop-down menu to view the available noise suppression methods. Select RN noise from the list. RN noise is the best general choice for most users because it uses advanced machine learning algorithms to distinguish between your voice and background noise, providing excellent noise reduction without affecting your voice quality. It works effectively in various environments and handles different types of background sounds well. Once you've selected RN noise, you're all set. Simply click the Close button at the bottom of the Filters window to save your changes and return to the main OBS interface. Your microphone now has active noise suppression, which means your recordings and streams will sound much cleaner and more professional with minimal background interference. And that's it. You've successfully added a noise suppression audio filter to your microphone in OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.